Good morning, P3 students. Today is Thursday and it's the 2nd of July, 2020. So today, teacher is going to read your story about Anne and Frank. Okay, so our objective for today, here's our objective. So again, today is Thursday and it's the 2nd of July, 2020. So the objective is I can answer the questions of the story teacher is reading for us. Okay, so I'm gonna read you a story about Anne and Frank. So what you're gonna do is that you are going to write the questions and the answers in your notebook. Okay, that's good. Very good. Are you ready? Okay, so I'm just gonna put it down. Okay, so again, this is the story about Anne and Frank. Are you ready? One day, Anne and Frank went to the lake with their dog, Rover. So, who are the characters of the story? So, we have Anne, Frank, and their dog. Rover, which is the dog, can swim well. So, Frank threw a stick into the water for him to fish. So, there's a stick, and then, so if you throw it in the water, so Frank can fish it, can grab it, or can get it back. Jump, Rover. Jumped in and get the stick, said Frank. Into the water, Rover went with a big splash. Pretty soon he came out with a stick in his mouth. So was Robert was able to get it? Yes. Rover did not like the game as much as Frank because the water was a little cold. So again, Rover the dog doesn't like the game very much, fishing, because the river was cold, right? They had fun for a while with Rover and then set out for home because it was late in the day and they could not stay long. On the way home, Rover saw a rabbit. So here there's another animal here. A rabbit, and away he went after it as fast as he could. Do you think dogs like to eat rabbits? Anne and Frank ran too, but could not keep up with Rover and the rabbit. When they got home, Rover was there, and Frank said, "Where is the rabbit, Rover?" Rover gave Frank a funny look and lay down on his mat. "Oh, I know," said Frank. "The rabbit ran so fast you could not catch it." So the dog was just give Frank a funny look, right? And so Frank said, "Oh, maybe I know maybe you did not get the rabbit because it runs so fast. You did not catch it." All right, so there are only 4 questions. So you're going to write this in your notebook and answer it, okay? So what did Rover pitch in the water? So you're going to say Rover pitch what? Why couldn't Rover catch the rabbit? And number 3, what might have happened if Anne and Frank stayed later? So what will happen if we stayed later? How do you think Rover felt about not catching the rabbit? What do you think Rover will feel by not catching a rabbit? Will he be happy, sad, disappointed? Okay, so that would be all for today. Thank you so much. And please do your homework. Okay, sorry. And make sure you attach your answers. Okay, goodbye.